Hi and welcome in this video where I'm going to show you how to build a Panzer II. This Panzer II that I'm going to show you in a couple of seconds, is designed by Jan from who I know from the OmahaBricks team, and standing in front of me here are some models that Jan already designed for OmahaBricks, and which of all these models building instructions are available at OmahaBricks.com. Check the link in the description. But I didn't yet build this Panzer, so I can't show it. In a couple of seconds I will show you some pictures that Jan sent me of his model that he built. But I want to show you something with these that for which Jan's designs are most well known within the OmahaBricks team collection, and that is that it always I just have one hand, so I'm not really able to show it. By the way, check out this awesome British tanker fig from Forest Moon Bricks. Absolutely love it. Most of it, which I really love, is printing on the inside of the leg. Really next level custom minifig. But you are able to always fit in a full crew. That's his main goal, is always to fit in a crew. That is also possible with this Panzer, so really cool. I will show you some pictures in a couple of seconds. I also want to advertise these models, the Brand Carrier, the Archer, and this Matilda, for which Jan designed for OmahaBricks. It has hard to do with one hand, opening hatches. You can pull off the turret. The turret is hollow on the inside, so it actually can fit a full crew in here, who you can access very easily, because Jan always makes his designs very modular, so you can open up, have it inside, always has interior stuff going on. Highly recommended to check out his designs on the OmahaBricks website. They're all more than worth of your money and trying to build for once. I dare to say that at least everyone serious collecting World War II stuff in a Lego should own one of his designs. I will show you some pictures of the Panzer so you can see how he did it, and after that I will show you the parts needed for the build, and then show you step by step how to build this Panzer.